la 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 na 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 na. Wow, look at this guys, so many amazing animals in this tub. Wow, look at these very colorful animals. Let's put them in the farm and let's start guys. Wow, zebra. Wow, and next we have guys panda bear, and next we have guys another animal is rhino, and next guys horse. Horse. And next we have cow. Cow. Wow. And wow guys, lobster. And next we have guys dog. Woo 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 woo. Woo 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 woo. Wow. And next we have guys hippo. Hippo. And another animal we have guys elephant. Pew, pew. Wow. And guys next we have guys lion. Lion. And guys next animal we have guys another hippopotamus. And next we have guys dinosaur. Oh, very big yellow dinosaur. And next we have guys octopus. And next we have guys crocodile. Wow, octopus. And next we have guys another elephant. Wow, look at this elephant. And next we have guys tiger. Wow, tiger, very dangerous animal. And next we have guys very big size spider. Wow. And we have guys dog. Woo 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 woo. Dog, mini dog. Wow. And next guys we have sea turtle. And we have guys giraffe. Wow, giraffe. And next we have guys cockroach. And sea lion. And guys crab. Wow. And green lizard chameleon. And wow guys, goat. Me. And next guys we have frog. Wow. And guys we have spider and lion again. And we have rhino, baby rhino, big rhino, and another sea lion and cock. Wow, look at this, so many colorful amazing animals. Wow, lion, tiger, frog, spider, chameleon, elephant, horse. Bye bye guys.